is Bryan, and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Of course, this song is very famous. It's called Yummy by Justin Bieber. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's start. So from here, you're gonna go 4 counts, very slow. 7, slow dip on 1, 2, 3, 4. Right to the front, right over left. 3, 4. Alright, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you're close on 4. Go 5, wait to your right, wait. 5 and 6. 6. Then straight 7, then back on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, front 1. Close your palm on 2. We'll change cross 3, 4. 2 counts. This is 5, 6. Dip on 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1. Close on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's combine. First and second. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next, from here, you gotta go down here, up, 1, and sit, 2. Basically 7, 8, go 1 and 2. That's quick. Then take 3, down, hop. 3, 4, then chest 5, 6, and 7, 8. One more time. So 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. One more time. 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So from here, just push. Don't put straight. Just use 3 and a 7, 8. Let's combine from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. All right. Next from here, 7, 8. 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4, front 5, 6. Basically you're walking. 5, 6, then lean back, 7, and then 5, 6. From here, gonna go 7, 8, 1, 2. Yes, one more time. From here, you're gonna push through. 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. This is 1, 2. Got it? Let's combine on the from here. 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, sorry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Alright. That's the countings because we're gonna stay here 2 counts more. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. So this one you're gonna go like 1, 2. Alright, next. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around 5, 5, 6, then 7, and 8. Yes, one more time. 3, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? Let's try. Alright? By the way, let's clarify this 8. So from, you're gonna go 7 and 8. 1, 2 ball chains on 3, 4, 5, 6. This one, 7, 8. Go 1, 2. So your left is following your right. 1, 2, 3. Open on 4. Turn around on 5, 6, then 7, and 8. Alright? Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1. Close. 3, 4, 7, 8. 1, 2, sorry. 4, 5, 6. Chest. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. Turn around. 5, 6, 7, 8. I forgot. One more time. One more time. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Chest close. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chest 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right. Let's go on. So we end up on 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. All right. Then open on 4. You're gonna go down on 5, 6, 7, hit on 8. Alright, one more time. 3, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Copy? Roger that? Then you're gonna go up. Oh, okay. Let's go on. Let's try one more time. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roger. Next, you're gonna go up 7, 8, and make sure you go up on 8 and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6. So basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 3 small wave. Wow. 7, 8. Let's try one more time. We're gonna go 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop on 5, 6. Copy? Okay, that? Then jump 7, drop on 8. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump 7, drop on 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump down. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography that we made today. Please don't stop dancing, alright? You can get it. Just keep rewind and rewind. If you still don't get it, just rewind. Alright? We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Yes. Bye-bye.